Well, hi there, everybody. Good Tuesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. Still a warm, humid start to our day, but things are changing pretty quickly with a cold front making its way through the area. And with that front on the steps of the doorsteps of the Tri-Cities here, we're going to see some relief on the way here over the next couple of hours in the form of dew points lowering. And temperature-wise, we're not going to be nearly as hot today. The temperatures will kind of struggle to warm throughout the day. The farther southeast you go, the more warm and humid it will be. In fact, hot and humid. Still going to be a couple of spotty shower and storm chances. The best chances are going to be in the eastern part of the state, though, as we go through the rest of the day today, even into this afternoon. Even a small chance of a little bit of strong to severe thunderstorm activity. The rest of us, though, pretty good conditions out there later on this afternoon and this evening. I tell you what, maybe an open the windows kind of night out there. Temperatures very comfortable overnight. Again, just the far southeastern fringes of our viewing area, a slight chance of some showers and storms, mainly before midnight. But most of us will see a great night ahead of us, and tomorrow should be a fantastic day. We keep the low dew points around. It will be on the warm side, highs in the 80s for the most part, a lot of mid and upper 80s, but still, with the lower dew points, should be a little more comfortable out there. And we'll slowly see as temperatures creep upwards, and that humidity level will start to climb a little bit by the end of the week, but still not that as bad as we have been dealing with the past couple of days. Storm Prediction Center does have a slight risk of severe weather out for far southeast Nebraska. This is just on the edges of our viewing area, so most locations will not have to deal with any kind of a severe weather threat later on today. As for your temperatures, we'll see a low and mid 80s up towards the north, partly to mostly sunny skies. Winds will be a bit on the breezy side behind that front today. North to northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour, possibly even a little bit higher out towards the west, where we'll see mid and upper 80s for afternoon highs. But again, keep in mind these areas will see lower dew points, so it won't be that uncomfortable out there. Mid 80s around the Tri-Cities, lower to mid 90s down in northern Kansas, still a little bit warmer. Those early spotty showers should give way to clearing skies through the day today. In fact, the shower chance is really starting to die off now in the southern parts of the viewing area. Still a 30% chance of showers and storms to the east, otherwise partly to mostly cloudy. Highs in the anywhere from the mid 80s to the low and mid 90s. Warmer the farther south that you go. Tri-Cities area, our highs don't warm up a whole lot the next couple of days. Pretty average temperatures for this time of the year in the mid to upper 80s, lower 90s. A couple of dry days there for Wednesday and Thursday, and then after that, something that's just very tough to predict this far out in the weather pattern will be in, and that's our chances of rain. They don't look that significant at this point there, but again, that can change a couple of days out as we get a little bit closer. But as of right now, most of our chances fairly insignificant out there. So a pretty quiet weather forecast here for the next 7 days as we see a little bit of relief on the way. That drier air will be very welcome across much of the area. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you have a great Tuesday.